All right, let's go ahead and look at another distance equals rate times time rational equation problem. All right, so it says a car travels 180 miles in the same time a truck travels 120 miles. If the car's speed is 20 miles per hour faster than the truck, find the speed of each of the vehicles. So first thing we're going to do is I like to sketch pictures with these so I kind of understand just a little bit of what's going on. So we've got a car. Okay, so we've got this lovely car right here. Here it is, and it is going in this direction, and it is going to go at a total of 180 miles. And then we've got a truck, okay, and that truck is also traveling, but it's only going to go about 120 miles. Okay. It also tells us, so we've got some distances there. It also tells us that the car's speed is 20 miles per hour faster than the truck. So let's go ahead and say that our rate for the truck is going to be X miles per hour. And the reason why I'm going to put the X with the truck is because the car's speed is based off of how fast the truck speed is going. And so it says the car's speed is 20 miles per hour faster than truck. So I'm going to say that the car's rate and the truck's rate, so the car's rate must be going 20 plus X. Now it gives us a little bit more information in this. It says a car travels 180 miles in the same time. So in the same time, which means that the time that the car travels is equal to the time that the truck travels. Okay, so if we think about it, let's go back to this. Well, how do we find time when we're dealing with distance equals rate times time? Well, in order to find the time, we just simply divide the distance by the rate. So time is equal to distance divided by rate, okay? So let's go ahead and build those equations based off of the car and the truck. So, and then we'll solve. So we want to know the time it takes the car, okay? Well, and that is distance divided by the rate. So the distance of the car is 180 divided by the rate, which is 20 plus X. And now that is going to be equal to the time of the truck. Time of the truck is based off the distance divided by the rate. So X divided by, or I'm sorry, 120 miles divided by the rate, which is going to be X. Now, all we need to do is come over here to Desmos and let's just plug it in. I've got both equations right there. We're going to plug it in. We're going to look at that graph and we are going to look for where they intersect. Now, something that you should see and hopefully do see is that as we work our way down in the direction to the right, you'll start to see that there's an intersection point where they overlap. So let's go find that, okay? And what it gives us is our X value of 40, okay? So what that tells us is that one of them must be going 40 miles per hour. Well, we were solving for X, and that was 40 miles per hour. So what that tells us is X, which is our truck was going 40 miles per hour, okay? And our car was going 20 plus 40, which is going to give us 60 miles per hour. So the car was going 60 miles per hour and the truck was going 40 miles per hour.